Today we are going to discuss about computer storage and memory device. The part of the computer which we can touch and feel is called
hardware.
Give some examples of hardware.
Monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc.
A set of programs or instructions to make the hardware perform a given task is called
Software.
Can we touch or feel a software?
No.
Notepad and pen are examples of
Software.
the unorganized facts that need to be processed is called
Data.
the processed data is called
Information.
the marks obtained by students arranged in increasing or decreasing order is called
Is called information.
Name the characteristics of a computer.
Speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, and storage.
A computer takes only a few seconds for calculations that we might take hours to perform.
Speed.
What is accuracy?
Accuracy. The computer gives accurate results if the input is correct.
Okay. A computer can work for hours without getting tired or committing any error is called
Diligence.
what is versatility?
The computer can work for hours with the same ease.
The computer can perform completely different types of tasks with the same. A computer has a built-in memory to store a large amount of data. True or false?
True.
Dash and dash are complementary to each other to function the computer.
Hardware and software. Hardware and software are complementary to each other.
The computer works on dash cycle.
IPO cycle.
What is the IPO cycle?
IPO cycle input, process, output.
Name the organization of a computer.
BIOS, basic input output system.